Caplugs is an industry leader in domestically manufactured plastic molded components, making onshoring easy for your business. With over 75 years of experience, we are your one-stop solution for product protection, with extensive in-house custom plastic molding capabilities, including our sleeve caps for tube ends, called the SC Series. SC Series caps provide a clean, professional look while protecting tubing and rod ends at every stage. With a snug friction grip, they're ideal for capping threaded or non-threaded tubing and make excellent masks for painting, plating, or grit blasting. Available in over 130 ODs and lengths, in various shapes and sizes, all made in ISO-certified U.S. facilities. With the most standard plastic parts in-house and ready to ship, plus a team in your corner, Caplugs delivers what you need, on time and on budget. Our dedicated project team will work with you from design and production to fulfillment, including regional sales and industrial account managers, inside sales representatives, sales engineers, and customer service representatives.